Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best downhill mountain bikes that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Ekerpat 2426 Dual Full Suspension Mountain Bike by Rideshare. This bike is built with a durable 17-inch carbon steel frame, making it a solid option for riders who prioritize safety and stability over long distances. Its dual suspension system, featuring both front fork and rear shock absorbers, is designed to handle bumps and uneven terrain well, ensuring a smoother ride even on rugged trails. The 21-speed drivetrain allows versatility for different inclines and terrains, while its mechanical dual-disc brakes provide reliable stopping power. In terms of design, the bike looks clean and functional, with an ergonomic frame geometry tailored for riders between 4 feet 9 inches and 5 feet 3 inches. The 26-inch all-terrain tires offer decent grip and puncture resistance, making it suitable for light trails and urban commutes. However, the assembly process might require some patience, as it's only 85% pre-assembled out of the box. While the included toolkit helps, some users may find the setup process a bit cumbersome. The Ekerpat is a good beginner-friendly choice, but it does come with some downsides. The bike's heavier steel frame reduces agility, and its 2.9-star customer rating reflects some concerns regarding durability and performance. Overall, this bike is best suited for casual riders or beginners who are exploring mountain biking at an affordable price point. Coming in at number 4 is the Gravity FSX 27.5 LTD, a mountain bike designed for intermediate riders looking for a little more performance. This bike features a lightweight aluminum frame, which makes it easier to handle compared to heavier steel models. The 27.5-inch wheels strike a balance between speed and stability, and the adjustable rear suspension is a nice touch for customizing your ride comfort. Additionally, the inclusion of a lockout fork allows you to switch between rigid and full suspension modes, making it a versatile choice for both smooth and bumpy trails. Performance-wise, the Gravity FSX offers a 21-speed drivetrain, giving you enough gear options to tackle uphill climbs and downhill descents alike. The disc brakes are powerful and responsive, providing consistent stopping power even in wet or muddy conditions. However, this bike does require assembly and tuning before hitting the trails, which might be a challenge for less experienced users. The Gravity FSX is great for riders who want a capable, mid-range mountain bike without breaking the bank. Its 3.7-star rating indicates mixed feedback, with some users praising its design and handling, while others noted issues with the suspension's durability. If you're an intermediate rider looking for a budget-friendly bike that can handle most terrains, the Gravity FSX is worth considering. Taking the third spot is the Ekerpat 2426 27.5-inch mountain bike by Rideshare. This bike offers a lot of value for its price, featuring a durable high-carbon steel frame and dual suspension for added comfort on rugged trails. The 21-speed twist grip shifter makes gear transitions seamless, and its mechanical dual-disc brakes provide reliable braking power in various conditions. This bike is designed for a wide range of terrains, from dirt trails to urban roads, thanks to its 24-inch all-terrain tires that provide excellent grip and puncture resistance. The Ekerpat comes 85% pre-assembled, which saves time for users, but some final adjustments are required for optimal performance. The bike's ergonomic design makes it suitable for riders between 4 feet 8 inches and 5 feet 6 inches, making it a versatile choice for both men and women. While the steel frame adds durability, it also contributes to the bike's overall weight, which might be a drawback for riders looking for a lighter option. With a 4.0-star rating based on customer reviews, this bike strikes a good balance between affordability and performance. It's ideal for beginners and casual riders who want a dependable mountain bike without spending too much. However, serious riders or those looking for advanced features may find this bike lacking in certain areas. In the runner-up position, we have the Tommaso Gran Sasso 29er mountain bike. This bike is an excellent choice for riders who value precision and performance. Its hardtail design, paired with hydraulic disc brakes, ensures a responsive and efficient ride. The 29-inch wheels provide superior rollover capability, making it easy to glide over obstacles and maintain speed. The Tommaso Gran Sasso is equipped with a lightweight aluminum frame that offers durability without compromising agility, making it ideal for both trail and urban environments. What sets this bike apart is its hydraulic disc brake system, which offers exceptional stopping power in all weather conditions. The hardtail frame design also makes it easier to climb hills and maintain control on technical descents. While the lack of full suspension might not suit riders tackling extremely rough terrain, this bike excels in its class for smoother trails and downhill runs. Priced at $399.99, the Tommaso Gran Sasso offers great value for intermediate and advanced riders. Its sleek design and high-quality components make it a standout option, but it's worth noting that the assembly requires some expertise. If you're looking for a reliable hardtail with top-notch braking performance, this bike is a fantastic choice. Finally, taking the #1 spot is the Avasta AV300 mountain bike. This bike is a true all-rounder, featuring a lightweight aluminum frame that combines strength and agility. It's equipped with a premium suspension fork for better ride comfort and terrain adaptability, making it perfect for a wide variety of trails. The 21-speed derailleur system allows for smooth and precise gear changes, while the dual-disc brakes ensure reliable stopping power in all conditions. The Avasta AV300 stands out for its attention to detail, such as its comfortable saddle and optional tire sizes, 26-inch or 27.5-inch, for customizable handling. The bike is 75% pre-assembled and comes with an installation video, making it easier for users to set up. Its aluminum rims and overall lightweight construction make it a fantastic choice for riders who want a responsive and durable bike. With a 4.3-star rating, the Avasta AV300 is praised for its build quality, performance, and value. It's an excellent choice for beginners and intermediate riders alike, offering versatility and reliability at a competitive price. For anyone looking for a top-notch downhill mountain bike, the Avasta AV300 is hard to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.